You will pay for 20 cow and then you will stay here.
Yeah.
And then we say, "Ow, bara, khwansai," means let's go to the bush.
Our guide kept referring to Tanzania as Giraffic Park, and that name was proven accurate when literally 5 minutes after crossing over the border into Tanzania, we saw these giraffes right next to the highway. He's looking right at us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We just got to our Ngorongoro farmhouse in Tanzania. This is our second stop on our 4-stop safari tour around Kenya and Tanzania. So go watch my video from Amboseli, Kenya if you haven't seen that yet. We just got here after a long day of driving from Amboseli, and along the way we had a very infuriating border crossing, but then we also stopped at a traditional Masai Village. So before I show you guys our farmhouse, I will show you guys that.
The dancing is like a competition dancing between us in our culture. So the men, they have to make jumps like that between the men from another family or another family. And the one who is the best jump, he gonna get a girl. Yes. So the ladies have to watch the man, and the one who is a very good jumping, and then he gonna get a girl.
And is that just traditional, or do you guys still do it that way?
Yes, that's a tradition.
Okay.
Yes.
I didn't know if you still found your wives that way.
No.
Okay.
To get a wife. So in our culture, even if you have a girlfriend, but you're not going to marry her, it's not allowed. So you can marry the lady that the parents agree.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And also you're going to give 10 cow to the parents of your wife, then you can get her.
And this is where you all live?
Yeah, this is the house for my wife. And actually, the house is the women make it, not men. Women build a house.
Wow.
So I can see hardly nothing.
Yeah. The house is very small, and the houses are very small. Your family for sleeping for one house.
Okay.
And it is a bed for sleeping 4 people, one family.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah. You see, this is the bed for putting the cow skin for the cattle from cow.
And you sleep this
You see?
way? Yeah.
Man, we get a very small your knife like this, and then we put the neck for the cattle from cow. We get 4 liter for the blood for the cow, and get a liter, 3 liter for the milk for the cattle from cow. Mix blood and milk, and then warriors we are doing the blood.
Oh my
And
gosh.
warriors, very strong men for protect the hunting lion. Women are not hunting lion. Me number 1 for kill lion.
Wow.
Me number 1.
How many lions
many
have you
lions?
killed?
One.
One big lion.
Oh wow.
Big lion. This the lion claws like that.
Oh.
Yeah. You will pay for 20 cow and then you will stay here.
Yeah. I don't know.
And then we're building another one house.
Okay.
And then many cattle you have for you.
Like I mentioned, we're currently at Ngorongoro, which is a farm, mainly a coffee plantation, but they've also mentioned growing bananas and avocados and basically every vegetable that they use in the restaurants here. Let's give you guys a tour around the farmhouse that we're staying in. It's freaking gorgeous. This is the super luxurious bathroom, which I will be in that momentarily. Plus our sinks, hello. And then this is the main living area. Another gorgeous bed, which king size doesn't really describe it because they pushed 2 full-size or queen-size beds together, so it's ginormous, but super cool. Little sitting area. Also the ceiling Gives all the farmhouse vibes. Why wouldn't you want to experience this? Ooh. Ooh. Aww. If you were smart, you would use the tire. Yes. There you go. Oh, he's so cute though. Oh!
Very good. 1959. With an area of 8,300 square kilometers.
Wow.
Before that, it used to be the part of Serengeti National Park. They separate this because Masai, they used to live in the Serengeti and they moved them here. And according to the national park rules, nobody is allowed to live in the national park. So they established this as a conservation area. This is not the national park. People, wild animals, cows, they can share the habitat in the conservation area. The altitude from the gate is 1,500 meters. We're going up to 2,500 meters.
Wow.
So on the crater rim now will be cold because we are going up.
Right now we are driving on the rim of the crater that's in this conservation area, and that's why everything is super foggy right now, because we're at super high altitude and it's the early morning. But we will be driving into the crater where hopefully the fog will go away and all the animals will be.
Actually, the elephants, the females and babies, they live up here in the forest, and the old males, they live down the crater. When the females are on heat, they follow the males down the crater for jig. And why they live up here is because there's a more nutritious grasses for them to produce milk for their babies.
Oh, he's standing. Oh, he's trying to stand. Oh my god. I'm standing again. Trying so hard. Oh, he's so cute.
place.
It's so big. Like, I didn't realize how big it was when it was further away.
Baby ostrich.
Yeah.
You are welcome at Ngorongoro Farmhouse. My name is Baba Dingi. I am assistant chief from the tribe known as Iraqw tribe. You make the sound like the way you vomit, you say Iraqw. We love to drink coffee for 24 hours. In total area farmhouse, it is about 500 acres. At the farmhouse here, they have only one type of coffee, which it is Arabica. When our coffee berries, they look red, that is the first time. You need the people to come here and be collecting from beginning of June until end of October. We take these slimy beans inside the water. We take inside the big basin. We fill with the water, and then after 2 days, we wash it to remove the sugar, the slimy stuff, and then we let the beans to dry on the screen, like the window screen or mosquito nets, for a month. After drying, the dry coffee beans looks like peanuts because the beans has number 2 skin on. So before you roast it, you allow again to remove the second skin. The peanut beans looks red, and then we roast it. When you say I am hungry, you say anaga arit. Anaga arit means my belly is empty. Oh maragala. Oh maragala. Oh maragala. What time is it? Ana ursha means I want food. And then we say oh bara khwansai means let's go to the bush. Go to the bush. Ow means go. When it is raining, we are using here. When it is raining, we say wait, means it is raining. Wait, why is rain? Means falling. Yes.
Yet another early wake up here in Africa. We are leaving this morning to drive from Ngorongoro to Serengeti, which I believe is a 6-ish hour drive. Ngorongoro has been absolutely amazing. Driving through the crater yesterday was great. We didn't see quite as many animals as we saw in Amboseli, but we saw like more very cool interactions between animals, I guess you would say. So a newborn gazelle to buffaloes like in some sort of standoff, newborn baboons as well, elephants like climbing the mountainside, and the farmhouse that we are staying at is just super, super gorgeous. I love it here. I'm sure the next place will be amazing, but right now I'm sad to leave this place. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I will see you guys in our next vlog in Serengeti.